Okay, so I found out this new plugin released by Hi Plugins, MPS3 sequencer. So I paired it with the Tal Noisemaker and I made a little sequence, fixed some notes until I came up with that. Let's take a look at, what you can do with this. So we have your sequence, and now it's playing all 3 blocks. No, it's actually playing just the 2 blocks here. And oh man, this is for free again. Just amazing. You can randomize all these things here. So here you have your node. So much stuff. I mean, this is one of those things. Just download it. It's free. Check it out yourself. And yeah, but let's go to basics. So when I'm playing my DAW here, we can have the MIDI trigger on. So now it's triggering the play from note C2. Then we have here MIDI effects, so we can change the octave. Then transpose, and this is quite nice. So now when we have this playing, we can actually transpose to a higher like that. So from C3 to C5, we can just transpose all the notes. Then we have scale. So when you set this up, you can select scale for yourself. So it will shift the notes to fit the scale. There are, well, lots of them available. And of course you have your basic settings here. You can fix the gate, the chance that the note is triggered, velocity. So now when we have those selected, yep, you get totally different result, and you can make it here slower. So much stuff here. Yeah, I do suggest, if you like playing with sequencers, yeah, just get it, have fun with it. And lastly, I'll show how the set is up, so it will actually trigger the sounds in Tal Noisemaker in Studio One. So let's go here. Let's take our instruments. I'm gonna remove both of these. There we go. So now we go here and we take the sequencer like that, put it in there. Here we go. And then let's take the tall noisemaker. Here we go. Let's put that on another track. And then in here, we choose the high MPS3. And this works with everything. So now it's getting, the noisemaker is getting the MIDI information from the high. So now now we can see if we change that, yeah, it's not getting. So that's how you set it up. And you can, do lots of other things as well, like that. But here's how you pair it up with synth. And just the basic functions. You can deep dive into it, and from here you can go to the manual page. And that's also what I suggest if you really want to get into this stuff. Just, go read the manual. You'll have a much better understanding of all the possibilities this plugin gives you. And, visit High Plugins. There's lots of other amazing free stuff there. So, yeah, but that's it. I want to keep this short. Just go ahead and check those sites out and have fun, and rock on.